Hello, dear children. I am Javed Dhobi Sir. I welcome you once again on my YouTube channel. In the first video of this series, we have learned how to transform information from non-verbal to verbal. Means information provided through tabular form, chart, tree diagram, flow chart, pie chart or wave into 2 to 3 paragraphs. Students have to understand it well and use simple sentences to write about the same in the form of words, means verbal. We had seen its marking scheme too. Now let's move ahead. In this video, we are going to learn how to extract information, how to get information from passages into the form of table, chart, tree diagram, flow chart, pie chart, or web. It is called verbal to non-verbal. The question number is 6. A2. Here you have choice to write one of the both, either non-verbal to verbal, means from tree diagram or any kind of figure to the passages, or to verbal to non-verbal, means from verbal means paragraph or passage is given there, and from that one you have to convert the information, the same information, into the pie chart, table, chart, web diagram, flow chart, tree diagram, etc. It's exactly the opposite action of writing skill, non-verbal to verbal. Observe the marking scheme. Now marking scheme is there. First of all, you must have to write the title, and title should be written in the middle of the line. So title carries 1 mark. Same here. The title is actually provided in the paragraph, so you don't worry about it. Now some important point to remember. One should remember to transform information from verbal to non-verbal. Read the passage twice or thrice. तुम्हाला 2 ते 3 वेळेस पॅसेज वाचावं लागेल. सिलेक्ट द फॉर्मॅट इन विच टू प्रोड्यूस द इन्फॉर्मेशन. जनरली इट्स गिवन, म्हणजे ती माहिती कोणत्या फॉर्मॅटमध्ये तुम्हाला लिहायची आहे हे दिलेलं असतं की ट्री डायग्राममध्ये लिहा किंवा टेबल फॉर्ममध्ये लिहा. डोंट यूज युअर ओपिनियन ऑर ॲड एनी मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन. कवर ऑल द पॉईंट्स. यूज प्रॉपर गिवन वर्ड्स ऑर फ्रेजेस. Select or write title from the given passage because it has 1 mark. Now, dear student, I hope you all would have got my point. Now, let's move on. Let's go to our first question, equal to non-verbal. So, question is, draw a tree diagram to represent the information given in the following paragraph. Read the paragraph once or twice. You certainly know that it's about literature. For that, you may use a pencil to draw your rough diagram, and to the confirm in exam paper, in your answer sheet, you must use your pen. I hope you all have read it. Now, in the question itself, it's to draw a tree diagram. So look at the answer. Right? Isn't it easy? Yes. Surely it's quite easy. Now the second question is, prepare a timeline based on the information given in the paragraph, showing the various stages in the career of Sabir Bhatia, founder of Hotmail. Here, timeline is asked. What is timeline? Timeline means some events are happened in some years in some periods, so you have to write them according to their happening series. What is the action happened first? So here about Sabir Bhatia's career, a paragraph is given. Sure, you must read it once or twice. Now, have you written the answer? Your title should be Sabir Bhatia's career. So dear one, it's a fine information that you can get. Now, first of all, we have seen how to write the tree diagram, then timeline. Now the third point, the third type of information transfer from verbal to non-verbal is, let's see, the series of do's and don'ts. In this video, we are going to learn 4 types of information transfer. I am going to read the question. Look at, a signboard is seen outside Jijamata Udyan displaying some rules for the visitors. They are as follows. Now here 8 rules are given. And at the last, the instruction is, now prepare a list of do's and don'ts for the visitors. It's rules for the Jijamata Park. And you have to make 2 tables, do's and don'ts. So while writing the so, my dear children, you should not write your own ideas, own opinions, right? Read it, take your time. Now let's see the table. So title is Jijamata Udyan Rules for the Visitors. It carries 1 marks. You have to write a well or neat table. There you write on the left side do's and on the right side don'ts. And there you must have to write from the 8 given points to the following tables. But you must use your own words like do's and don'ts. You should write all the positive instructions in do's and the negatives in don'ts. Got it? The next one, the 4th one and the last one of our this video. The question is, here is some information about the Gulmohar and banyan trees. Write their comparison in tabular form. Look at, the 4th one is a tabular form. Comparison between 2 trees, Gulmohar and banyan tree. Read the paragraph. The paragraph should be 8 or 10 lines or 12 lines. It is not very long or lengthy. And the vocabulary is known to you. The words which are used in the paragraph are familiar to you. They are suitable for your age group. So you can easily understand them. Okay. Now, what title should you write? Yes, definitely. Comparison between Gulmohar and banyan tree. Okay. Now, you have to make here 3 tables. The first one is the particulars. There you have to write size, height, leaves, flowers, fruits and roots. On the right side first, on the first table of the right side, you have to write Gulmohar and the next is banyan. So from the given table, from the given passage, you have to complete the table. Dear one, it's not at all difficult. If you understand it, you can easily write it. So I'm going to give you some more examples to solve at home. Do read them and solve at home. If you have any problems, please call us. Thank you. Please like and subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon to get the latest videos.